Hello everyone, welcome back to Anita-EduEat. In today's class, we will learn about a very important topic, relationship between zeros and a coefficients of a quadratic polynomial. And we will also solve exercise 2.2 from Ncert book. Let's recall the general form of quadratic polynomial, which is ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b, c are the constant and alpha, beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Now, according to the formula, sum of zeros equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta equal to c upon a. This means that if we know the coefficients a, b and c, we can easily find the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients of polynomial. Remember, this formula is very important for board exams. Now, we will understand this with an example. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2, where a means the coefficient of the x square value, b means the coefficient of x value, c means constant number. So, the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. According to the formula, sum of zeros is equal to minus b upon a. Put the value of b and a, so it's equal to the 3. Now, product of the zeros is equal to c upon a. Put the value of c and a, then it's equal to 2. So, sum of zeros is equal to 3 and product of zeros is equal to 2. That's how easily we find them. Let's now solve exercise 2.2, question number 1. The question is, find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients of the polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Here the value of a is 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to minus 8. Let's start step by step. Step 1. Set the polynomial equal to 0. Step 2. Factor the polynomials. Here I am using splitting by middle term. Here the middle term is minus 2. We need two numbers whose product is minus 8 and the sum is minus 2. Those numbers are minus 4 and positive 2. So, now we have 4 terms. Make two groups. In a first group, x is the common factor. In a second group, 2 is the common factor. Group the terms. Take x minus 4 as common. Step 3. Apply zero product property so that x is equal to 4 and x is equal to minus 2. Hence, the zeros are minus 2 and 4. Let's verify the relationship. Sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta. Here the value of alpha is minus 2 and value of beta is 4. 4 minus 2, it becomes positive 2. And according to the formula, sum of zeros is equal to minus b upon a. b the value of b is minus 2. So here you can put it minus 2. Minus into minus 2 becomes a positive 2. So both are equal. Again, product of zeros is equal to alpha into beta. Here the value of alpha is minus 2 and beta is 4. Minus 2 into 4 becomes minus 8, and according to the formula it's equal to the C upon A. C value is minus 8. Minus 8 upon 1. It's equal to the minus 8. Both are equal again and it's verified. So we have successfully verified that for a quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, sum of zeros is equal to minus b upon a, product of zeros is equal to c upon a. Remember this relationship, it helps you solve many problems easily. That's all for today's class. If you found this explanation simple and helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Anita-EduEat for more easy math videos. See you in the next class.